What's going on, guys? I want to talk to you about something while I'm out here on my balcony here. And it's about being emotionally attached to the obstacle. Okay. A lot of us who are entrepreneurs, like, we get very attached to what can go wrong, what is going wrong, and like, why is this obstacle happening to us? And we need to really take a step back and realize that it is not our fault. It is not your fault. Okay. Sometimes things and the universe, God is putting things in your way so that you can adjust and compromise with the universe in some shape or form. There's also a point in time where you can't do the same thing over and over again forever. You need to have that pivoting factor that's going to allow you to scale. And it's something that we don't really talk a lot about because we want things to go smoothly all the time. We want to, we want everything that we do to be complete perfection, but it's just not that way. And also it's a battle of hey, I don't want to do this thing because I've been doing this thing for so long and I enjoy this thing more than most. So if Facebook ads don't work for me and I have to pivot, okay, I'll run YouTube ads, right? I'll run Google ads, I'll run TikTok ads. I'll figure some way out to still be that advertising king that I am. But if I can't do any of that, then I have to go to YouTube SEO and SEO in general, and scale my SEO agency and do things like that, because that's the way that I'm going to be able to live on my content and legacy and all these things. So don't get too emotionally attached to the obstacle. The obstacle is there for you to beat. And then once you beat it, you take a lesson from it, some type of lesson that is going to put you in the right path to succeed. And, we see all these people online. You think that they're crushing it. Little do you know, there's a lot of shit in the back end that's going on, and no one's willing to talk about it. Well, this is the point of you coming to this page, because I can't not tell you guys what's going on. Facebook is fucking with me right now. I got a lot of shit going on with my ad accounts. I'm losing my pixel data because I can't run my own offer anymore. And it's difficult right now. It really is. And I don't want you guys to get this thing twisted that Wojo's crushing it, Wojo's doing this. And it's there's a lot of shit in the back end that people don't know about. People don't know that I have a lot of financial obligations. I just moved, and I have a nice car, and I have family, and there's a lot of things that I take care of. And it's it's not always fucking strawberries and ice cream and fun vacations and fun pictures on Instagram. There's a lot more to the game that people don't see. So don't get it twisted. Yes, I'm still doing okay and I'm going to be all right, because you guys know I always bounce back. But there's a lot of shit in our world right now, political stuff, that I don't get into because I don't involve myself anywhere near that term. But there's a lot of things going on that are going to bring a lot of attention to the advertising game, especially for media buyers like me who are doing stuff at scale, So just understand that all these things that you see, don't feel like you're behind. Don't feel like someone's ahead of you.